Hi Sylvia, this is Michaela. I spoke with you earlier today, and as mentioned, here's just a quick 5-minute video just showcasing some different ways to get new leads to your website, as well as go over your overall online presence. To start things off, I'll let you know that I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks for three aspects when ranking different websites on their web platform. The first and foremost, and probably the most influential in organic movement of your website, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. As you can see, you don't have a lot of text on your homepage, and I'm going to tell you why text is so important. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always the #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. Google loves content. So with that being said, doing some research on different cleaning services in your area that are ranking on page 1, I'm going to recommend you need anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your home page with appropriate keywords. Now, this is going to help Google find you and naturally just start moving you up that Google platform, okay? With that said, we typically recommend that on every additional service page. So what we recommend here is to break up some of your services into separate pages. So maybe do like a carpet cleaning page, a waxing, floor waxing page, window cleaning, lawn care page, and have a separate web page for every service. Now this is important for two reasons. One, once again, it adds quality content to your site. The more content available on your site, naturally the higher up the ranks you're just going to rank. This is the easiest way to get those rankings, okay? So on every additional page, we typically recommend 500 to 750 words, depending on how many keywords per service you're wanting to rank for. Obviously, the more keywords we can rank for per service, the more opportunities we have to be found by customers. So it's super important for you there, okay? So I'm going to take you here to Ahrefs. This just shows me a breakdown on how you're doing on the internet today. And as you can see, you're currently getting about 22 people come into your site per month. I can tell you that this is a good amount of people, but typically people who we've worked with in the past and that we typically see on the higher rankings get probably 3 or 4 times this many people coming to their website. So there's definitely a lot of leads that you could be getting with appropriate content and being found by Google. With that said, getting more quality keywords, like I mentioned before, and ranking for those are going to be what gets you in front of people and helps you be found. Next, I'm going to take you to this UR. UR refers to primarily citations. And when I say citation, if I do a basic Google search for carpet cleaning, Corpus Christi, Texas, we first see this Google map, right? We all know it. This is the GMB, and I would assume that you have a GMB, but typically these top 3 people are going to get the most service. Why? Well, first of all, they're right in front of people, right? Getting your business in front of as many people as you can is what every business owner is trying to do. So having visibility from the get-go is going to be huge in helping you get new clients. So how do we get to the top of this list? By citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up on some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. When we do this and we achieve a top position here, that's going to drive our UR number up even further. Now, let me give you the details between these two numbers. There's a golden ratio that not many people talk about, but Google loves these two numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. When doing this, it creates a lot of stability for your placement on Google, meaning if you make it to page 1, and these are as close to a 1-to-1 ratio and creating a lot of stability for your site, you're almost going to be locked into this position. If you look here at how you've kind of jumped around a lot over the last 3 months, kind of up and down, up and down, up and down, it's going to create a more stable environment for your position on Google. So that's definitely what we always try to strive for, okay? Lastly, this DR number. It refers to backlinks and referring domains. And by looking at this, you have 17 websites that have a link from your website, from their website back to yours, right? So think Angie's List and Home Advisor. We put our links on there so people can easily find us. However, not all links are created equal. As you see, you only have about 5 that are do follow links, which means only 5 of these 17 domains that have your backlink on it actually have an active link. The other links are what we call like a dead link, right? Like it doesn't actually come back to your website. As well as by giving you so many backlinks from that one link, it's almost watering down your influence, if that makes sense. So having like one domain with one backlink, that's huge influence. Getting one domain and 50 backlinks, that's watering down your influence, if you can see what I mean. So getting good quality referring domains, ones that get a lot of business and a lot of traffic, that's going to refer a lot of that influence back to your site, driving this number up, which again is what we need to get these two to a 1-to-1 ratio. Well, I hope this was good information for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If it's not too much trouble, please send me a quick email. Just let me know your thoughts about this video. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.